Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, responding to several questions that you have written to me. On the same subject, see if you can install a primer pump, an Opel Astra, or an Opel Zafira with a 2000 DTI engine. Let's see, if you're thinking of installing a primer pump, it's because you're having air problems in the fuel circuit, diesel. Let's see. These engines have a pump of discharge, or injection pump, the VP44. If the failure is due to an electronic problem, because this pump also gave electronic problems, installing it would not help at all. But if it is a problem, what is there with any of the pump joints, which are degraded or in poor condition, and air is entering through there? This solution would be a fix, something temporary. The ideal would be to repair the pump, okay? Diesel, because the ideal place is this. Where this mode takes her tour. Here you have the diesel filter. The diesel comes through this hose, from the diesel tank to the filter, and through this other hose. The diesel comes out, towards the high-pressure pump or injection pump. Well, this would be the ideal place to install it, because here you have it accessible and you can press it, to prime the fuel circuit, and that the engine of your car manages to start, okay? Well, here is this short video. If it has been useful to you, so do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.